No? Excuse me. Yeah, okay,
No,
let's
no, we have not.
let's take this example. So you have inputted, so let's assume you are into mango business, searching your business online. Your 2400 searches, April month 6600 searches, and look at this, some of this 27,000 searches a month, 8,000, 18,000, 8,000. See, mango is a seasonal fruit. Here it is 9,000 and here it is 27,000. May month, March 9,000 searches, 10,000 searches, and April 27,000 searches. So now when you take average of all these 12 months, you will get this search volume. And some months it can be just 100, right? December, who will search for mangoes in December? Very less. And this data we got it from Google Keyword Planner. What is it providing is keyword information, how your product is searched, average monthly searches, month on month change, year on year change of searches. The searches for mango in every 3 months it's increasing. So this is recent data, and recent this quarter it will increase, and next quarter it might show dropping. Okay, so year on year change it's increasing. Competition, some of the keywords, Kesar mango near me it's low, right? And high, low, medium has got a competition index. If you have to speak high in terms of number, anything between 66 to 100 is high. Anything between 33 to 66 is medium, and below 33 is low. Look at this, below 33, below 33, below 33, low. Both are same. One is in terms of numbers and the text for the same. Okay, and if you have to show ads for this keyword in the Google top, it's going to cost you 6.37 rupees top of the page bid low range. If it's high range, if the competition is high, if you have to increase the bids, if you have to participate in the auction, it can go up to 52 rupees also, right? You will be spending anywhere between this and this amount, right? So understanding this data is super important. Why? We will see this with this table. So this in between data was inserted by me in the morning, and all it continued. Column T was actually starting from column I. Okay. So now what I did is, see, business owners will tell you I am ready to spend some 30, 50,000 or 1 lakh or 10 lakhs or 1 crore. Can you tell me what kind of outcome I will get? Okay. So that's when it's important for you to understand this details that we are going to discuss, right? What is that we are going to discuss is return on investments. Business owner will tell you I'm going to invest 50,000 and what kind of revenue can you get me, and will Google Ads work for my business? So we are going to understand with this exercise, will Google Ads going to work for this business or not? Should they be running Google Ads for their business or not? All these kinds of questions you will get clarity. Okay, so now since the lowest is this, highest is this, I'm just taking an average of 6.37 and 51.56 is 21 point. You'll be spending anything 29 rupees into 100, it's going to be 2,900 rupees. Are you all getting this, guys? Same way, the average of low bid and high bid is 23 rupees. Correct? So now this is indicating that to get 100 people to your website, you have to spend this much. And will you get anything out of those 100 people? People might buy mango from your website or may not buy. You visit Amazon every time. Are you purchasing the products? Correct? Digital marketing training. You must have visited 10 different digital marketing institute websites. Did you register with all of them? No, right? So exactly the same happens here as well. For several reasons, you would have not registered with those institutes, right? Or if you have registered with some institute, there will be a reason why you are registering. Okay, correct? Right, same way here as well, you might get something out of it or may not get anything out of it. That actually depends on different factors such as conversion rates. 100 people have come to your website, out of 100 only 10 people are purchasing the mangoes from you. That is 10 percentage, right? So if 10 people are purchasing the mangoes, that is sales count is 10, correct? From 100 people, 10 percentage conversion rate is 10, correct? Correct. Now by spending close to 3,000 rupees, you got only 10 sales, correct? Close to 2,900 rupees and you got only 10 sales. So what is the cost per sale now? Cost per sale is 2,900 divided by 10. That's going to be 290. That's going to be 290 rupees cost per sale. And from each sale, 10 people have bought, right? And let's assume everybody are buying on an average 5 kgs of mango, and each kg mango is 100 rupees. So what is the revenue that business makes now? If people are purchasing 5 kgs, now you have visited some website XYZ who is selling mangoes, and you will be purchasing 2 kgs. The price of the mangoes is 100 rupees. So what is the, how much amount did you spend on that website now? So kg mango is 100 rupees. To buy 2 kgs, how much you will be spending? It's that difficult, guys, to answer this question?
200, sir.
Yeah. So now same way, so now few people will be purchasing 7 kgs, 10 kgs, and if you consider average of everybody, it comes to 5 kgs. So if it is 100 rupees to sell 5 kgs mangoes, on selling 5 kgs mango, you will be making 500 rupees, correct? But you are not a farmer. You are buying it from at 400 rupees from farmers, 5 kgs, and you are selling it at 500 rupees. What is the margin here? Full 5k, 500 rupees, 5 kgs. 100 rupees is the margin. I have written it here clearly. So you are buying it at 400 rupees from farmer and selling it at 500 rupees, 5 kgs 500 rupees. The margin that you make is 100 rupees. So please go ahead and ask the question. Somebody seems to be pinging. Yeah.
So what is ticket price means?
Ticket price is the selling price of your product. So people are coming to your website, right? They'll add 1 kg tomatoes, 1 kg mangoes, 1 kg carrots, right? So now 1 kg tomatoes is 30 rupees, 1 kg mangoes is 100 rupees, 1 kg carrot is 100 rupees. 230 rupees is the ticket price of this individual, correct? Now some other person comes and buys 1 kg mutton on Big Basket website. Price is 900 rupees. See, everybody are coming to the website and purchasing different worth of product. Now company doesn't keep counting one by one. This person has purchased 300, that person. See, it says sees average. Like average, it might come to 600 rupees. Few people must be purchasing 2000, 3000. You all know how to calculate average, right? I'll quickly show it here. Person 1 has purchased product worth of 300 on the website. Person 2 has purchased product worth of 600. Person 3 has purchased product worth of 900. You know what will be the average? Equal to average. I'm using
600.
yes. Average is 600. Who is the telling
We'll do
200?
addition and divide by 3.
Yes. So sum of all this is that's how average is calculated. Sum of all this equal to divided by 3. This is how average is calculated. Okay. So average ticket price, now you will not sell. Person 1 has purchased at 300, person 2 at 600, person 3 900 rupees worth of products on your website. Now average ticket price is, so this is average sale order worth. Order worth, correct? 600 rupees, correct? Even 10,000 people might have purchased like this. They will calculate average like this. 10,000 people, all 10,000, all the amount received divided by 10,000. If 10,000 people have purchased, here 3 people have purchased, all the amount coming from 3 people divided by 3. That gives you the average. Now here average ticket price is 500 rupees, right? And you are buying it at 400 rupees, and if you are selling it at 500 rupees, what is the margin that you are making? 100 rupees, correct? But now look at the cost incurred in one sale. It is 290 rupees. Per se, you are making only 100 rupees and cost incurred is 290 rupees. The returns from is, it's nothing, it's not, it's minus. You have to pay additional 200 rupees from your pocket to get one sale. Okay. So now look at this scenario, 15% conversion rate. Now the loss is just 57 rupees. When conversion rate is higher, let's take it as, this is also 15%, but CPCs will be very low. See, See, your returns will be high only when your conversion rates are high or your CPC is less or both your conversion rates and CPCs are good. See, if you have to run ads, see now I will prefer to run ads on this keyword because this keyword is giving me more returns. You see that I'll change this to this keyword is giving me where is the returns? No, this is not this one, right? 31. 31. This keyword is giving me more returns. Which is this keyword? Kesar Mango Online. CPC is just 14 rupees. Conversion rate is 15 percentage. Now I'll change this to 20 percentage. And now the outcome that you get out of this is much higher. Why it did not change? Sales count. Cost per sale 500 rupees. Change it. Something wrong with this. Into M9. 15 R into M9. Okay, so I'll have to see if this is 2 rupees is changing. 2 is not changing. Why is it not changing? Q9 minus M9. 19 rupees. Cost per sale is 98. Where is K? K. Yes. Okay, so basically these numbers are not changing. I'll fix that number. So here it is 20 percentage. Here is the problem. This one has become fixed. This is a formula. So this is 100 into 20 percentage. Okay. Okay, you see that here with 20 percentage your profit increased to 532 rupees. So if your conversion rates are 30 percentage, your profit increased to 1532 rupees. So how much are you spending to get that? You are spending 1500 rupees, 1468 to get 100 people to your website, right? And the outcome that you made is the profit after all the expenses, right? The total number of sales that you get is 30 sales. And from each sale you are making 100 rupees margin profit. That's not actually profit, margin. And from this, and it's going to be 30 into 100, it's going to be 3000 rupees. And if you take 1500 from it, it's going to be 1500 rupees profit. So now here your Google ad success depends on two factors. One is CPC. So now I will change the CPC to 30 rupees and look at this. Your profit will become 0. See, 0. If it is 30 rupees, how much are you spending here? 3000 rupees. Correct? By spending 3000 rupees, you made 30 sale, and from one sale you are making 500 rupees revenue, and from 500 you are getting only 100. From 30 sales, 30 hundreds is going to be 3000 rupees. Correct? The cost incurred in getting this 30 sales is 3000 rupees, and the profit that you made is also 3000 rupees. So not profit, margin from this all, right? 30 sales, right? 30 sales. So I would have put here total revenue. Yeah, total revenue here is 15,000 rupees, and here 30 into 100. We have to do 30 into 100 even before returns. Okay. So here, are you all getting this calculation? So now I will bring down this to 12 rupees. So when it is 12 rupees, the cost incurred in getting 100 people is just 1200 rupees. Correct? Out of 1200 you got 30 sales. Now the profit is 18,000 rupees. Now your CPC comes to only 5 rupees. The cost incurred in getting 100 people to your website is just 500 rupees. And you made a total revenue is 500 into 30 sales, 15,000 rupees. From 15,000 rupees, you will be making a margin of 3,000 rupees. Correct? If you are saving 100 rupees on each sale, on 30 sales, you will be saving 30 hundreds. 30 hundreds is 3,000 rupees. On 3,000 rupees, if you minus from 3,500 rupees from 3,000, it's going to be 2,500 rupees profits. Correct? Now I will change this to 50 rupees despite you having the highest conversion rate of 30 percentage. Now what's happening here? 2,000 rupees. Yeah, is this clear, guys? So see, now look at this. What you will be doing if you are running Google Ads, one thing is you should be very careful about picking the keywords. Let's assume all the keywords as same kinds of CPCs. Now second thing that you have to take care of is conversion rate. See, sometimes some keywords can spoil your outcome. See, let's take this example. Let's take this example. See, 5 rupees. See, now still you are at loss of 15,000 rupees. When you see, let's assume few more contributors are there. Let's take it as 4 rupees. Now profit or loss is 600 rupees. You see that? Now here overall outcome is the loss is going down from 15,000, it has come to 12,000. Now again I'll bring down the CPC. I am bidding on a keyword which is costing only 6 rupees, only 9 rupees, only 7 rupees, only 8 rupees. Now look at this, your profit and loss has come down. Loss has come down to only 5,000 from 15,000. Right? Now in this list, if you look at this, this is profitable. Bidding on this keyword is getting you more profits. Bidding on this keyword is profits. Bidding on this keyword is profit. Bidding on this keyword is profit. Now despite you bidding on this some good keywords, what's happening with other keywords? They are killing your profits. So stop bidding on these keywords and you will make profits. Are you all getting it? Sometimes some of the keywords must be giving you profits and some of them may not give any kind of profits. As a digital marketer, you should be able to understand which one is giving profits and which one is not giving profits. You might sell, Manjunath, this is also about mangoes only. Also mango online, people are searching. Kesar mango online, people are searching, they want to buy mangoes. But why the conversion rates are poor for this? Let's say the conversion rate is just 3%. What happens now? So why is this conversion rate dropping here? Anybody has any idea why is this conversion rate varying though everybody are willing to buy mangoes? Everybody are willing to buy mangoes, correct? Why is this conversion varying? When people are using this term buy mangoes online, they want to buy mangoes. When they use this keyword or this keyword also, they want to buy mangoes online. Then why are the mindsets different when with this person and with this person? Though everybody wants to buy mangoes, why are they not purchasing on the website? So when 100 people come using this term, maybe 20% are buying or 10% are buying. When people use just this term, maybe I'll reduce this to 5%, this to 20%. Right? Why is this conversion rate changing? And if your business owner is asking what will be the conversion rate for my business, will you be able to tell this? See, you cannot tell what is the conversion rate. Conversion rate is basically measure of number of sales against the number of people visiting your website. Without anybody visiting your website, how will you predict the conversion rates? You have to run a pilot campaign, a test campaign, and get at least 100 people to your website. And out of this 100, understand what's happening. Out of this 100, if 10 people are buying, the conversion rate is 10 sales divided by 100 people is 10%. Correct? Are you all getting it, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Anybody has questions here?
Yes.
So if clients ask you to tell me how much revenue I will make with the spend of, what is the spend here? 100 clicks. This is actually cost incurred. Cost incurred is 400 rupees. Cost incurred, see, total cost incurred is 22,949.5 rupees is the total cost incurred in all from all of these keywords if you have to get 100 visits from each keyword. Right, guys? Now, from this 22,000 spent, what will be the revenue made by business is 72,000 rupees. How did he get 72,000? By spending this much, he made only 144 sales. How is it 144 sales? This 144 sales can vary, right? See now 144 change it to 159. I'll change this to again, and 159 change it to 170. And revenue is also going up if you observe this. This is the key to success of your business. And as a digital marketer, you should be very well versed with improving this conversion rates. So now look at this again. I'll change this to 15 percentage. Now total number of sales is 188 and revenue is 94,000. Now let's improvise this to 30 percentage and revenue is 1,07,500 rupees. And now this 9 percentage 3 percentage I'll make it to 12 percentage. Your revenue again increased. Why is it increasing? Because conversion rate improvement is nothing but number of sales are increasing. Now the profit or loss is just 550 rupees loss. It was nearly 15,000 or 20,000 loss. Now how can I bring down this loss further? What should I be doing? So I can probably bring down the CPCs also, not here on the Excel sheets. As a good digital marketer, as a good performance marketer, there are chances that you can bring down the CPC. Maybe from 28 rupees, you can bring down this to 25 rupees, 23 rupees to 20 rupees, 17 rupees to 15 rupees, and 26 rupees to 12 rupees, something like that. See, your profit would have gone up already. See, 2000 rupees profit increased. Did you all get that? Right? So now business owner will come and tell to you, I will give you how much is the spend here, cost incurred. Cost incurred is 20,000 rupees. Business owner will tell you, I am ready to invest 20,000 rupees. Will you be able to get sales and make me profitable? See, 20,000 rupees, you will be able to get the sales. But will you be able to make the profits or not? It depends on several factors. See, sometimes we cannot increase the conversion rates. There is an industry standard. You know what will be the conversion rates? Less than 1% in some businesses. Whatever you do, it will be less than 1% conversion rate. See, for example, let's say you are opening a new website and similar and selling all that Amazon and Flipkart is selling, right? So Amazon and Flipkart has, let's assume, 5% conversion rate. Out of 100, 5 people are buying. And do you think you will also have same kind of conversion rates? Out of 100, do you think 5 people will buy from your website? They'll not buy because they don't know who you are. Amazon and Flipkart brands are very well known to everybody. And I will start Manju.com and I'll start selling everything similar like Amazon and Flipkart. They will think, who is this Manju? I don't trust this person. And the conversion rates on my website can be just 1% or 2%. Whereas the marketing spend is same. Whether Amazon bids on Buy Mangoes or Flipkart or Big Baskets or Manju.com, whomsoever it is, Google is going to charge the same amount, correct? Are you all following me, guys? Google won't be partial for you. Google charges same for everybody, correct? But now just because your conversion rates, let's assume first one is Amazon. Amazon has 20% and Flipkart has 18% and Big Basket has 15% or Big Basket has 25%, and now you are a new person in the industry and you have only 5%. And look at this, what is the cost per sale? Will you think you will be profitable? No, you are not profitable. Even Flipkart is not profitable because the CPCs are very high. Let's assume CPCs are same for everybody. Let's take it as 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees. Okay, here sales count, yeah, all of them are profitable, but who is more profitable here? Big Basket. Why Big Basket is more profitable? Because their conversion rate is 25%. See, this is where people do wrong. Somebody is selling something and they are making 1 lakh every day. Now people think, okay, they are making 1 lakh every day. I will also do the same business and I will also make 1 lakh every day. But problem with your business is this comes down to 5%. Why it's 5%? See, they are not making money by selling the same product. It's not because of you will not be able to make same kind of money by selling same product. See, their brand value is different and their conversion rate is different. Their brand value is what is making the money for them. It's not the product, right? I have come into the market newly, my conversion rates are just 5% and I'll be at loss of 100 rupees. Sorry, 500 rupees on the overall 5 sales. Per sale, I am at 100 rupees loss. See, we do this analysis for brands. Every brand will have different conversion rates. It might work, an ad might work for a business or may not work. And let's say that they are very new into the industry. We will tell boss Google ads are not going to work for you in this stage. Don't invest on Google ads. It's loss, right? It's not that he did not get sale, he is getting sales. Now from 100 visits, if he's increasing to 1000 visits, he might get 50 sales. And accordingly, there is a proportionate loss here. From 500 loss, it's gone to 5000 loss. Now he will invest more. Let's say 10,000 visits, right? He gets, sorry, this is 1 lakh. He gets 10,000 visits and 500 sales. He is making more number of sales than anybody else. Is he profitable? No. He is seeing a loss. Total revenue made is 2,50,000 and still 50,000 loss. When will he be profitable is, let's say at least this is 10%. 10% is break even, zero. No profit, no loss. It's break even. If it is changing to 15%, then he is making, though he is less than Flipkart and Amazon, Big Basket, even at 15%, is making a very good revenue. Why are they making? See, now both are investing on the same market. Like same agency, same marketing expenses, not marketing expenses, consulting fee, or let's assume they are running by themselves. Just because they did not scale, the cost incurred here is 1 lakh, correct? Just because they did not spend more, they did not make more returns here. See, if businesses now, the cost incurred to run these ads, digital marketer is asking 10,000 rupees. Now, here 1 lakh plus 10,000. 1 lakh plus 10,000. If you minus 10,000 rupees marketing expenses, service agency expenses or consulting fee or whatsoever marketer expenses, here still they will be at a profit of 40,000 rupees. People who are doing at a very small scale, right? Their expense is 1,000 rupees plus 10,000 rupees. They are at loss of 800 minus 10,000 is 9,200 loss. Even if these people are spending more, right? Let's say they are getting 20,000 visits. Now the profit made is 1 lakh 60,000, correct? Even if they are taking marketing, digital marketers salary, 25,000 rupees salary, they are very much profitable, correct? See, if you are investing in ads or in digital marketing, you should be planning to run it in a large scale. That's when you will make profits. Now look at this, a company which is getting 2 lakh visitors, what happens? Okay, if not this one, I'll just go with this one. 2 lakh traffic. What's happening? They are making a profit of 20 lakhs. They are making a profit of 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs profit. Now they will invest on 10 digital marketers, 20,000 rupees into 10 digital marketers, or 25,000 rupees into 10 digital marketers. It's 2.5 lakhs only, correct? It's not even 12% of the total profit that they made. Now they will invest on infrastructure, rent, building rent, everything. Are you all getting an idea? See, if you are investing small, your outcome will be very less and you cannot really run the show. Rich becomes richer. Let's say this person doesn't have budget, he says only 2,000 visits enough. Here it is 20,000, only 2,000, let's take 2,000. He's making only 20,000 and this 20,000 is gone to a digital market who is running Google ads. How will he survive, a business owner? So poor business owner is investing only 20,000 on Google ads, makes only 20,000 profit, and he is investing the 20,000 again on a digital market who is running ads for him, and he'll not have anything to make his living. Correct? A rich business owner is investing 2 lakhs in his ads and he is making 1 lakh 60,000 profits, and he will pay 25,000 to a digital marketer and still he has 1,35,000 left with him. Correct? Are you all getting this math, guys? See, this is
Yes, sir.
how a marketing campaign also works. People who are running Google ads in small scale will not see good returns. People who are running ads in larger scale will benefit a lot. Okay. Okay, so you all got a proper understanding now what kind of keywords work, right? On basis of this, you will launch the campaigns. Let's get started. Let's launch one campaign. Let's start with. Anybody has any questions with regard to this sheet? With regard to these calculations? See, I took another example. This mangoes example is not really mango bidding on mangoes at this price. What is the average price here? Average, average, average. I'll get the average again. Now, yeah, they are still making or returns is profit and loss. It's all loss. Only this guy is making profit. Okay, anyways, fine. So now, if you are investing, see if your cost per ticket, cost per sale is just 579, 82 rupees, 130 rupees, and you are not making anything. That's because purely because your ticket price is very low. Now let's take an example of you selling a course, a Java course, which you are selling at 35,000 rupees. And to get same 100 clicks at 40 rupees CPC, which is much higher than the CPC that we have taken anywhere here, correct? Even though at 40 rupees or even at 100 rupees CPC, cost incurred in getting 100 clicks at a 40 rupees CPC is 4,000 rupees, correct? And now look at the conversion rates. Even at 1%, there is a profit of 5,000 rupees. Why? I'll tell you. So now conversion rates, okay, cost incurred is 4,000 to get 100 clicks and conversion rate is 2% and they made only 2 sales, correct? 2 sales, what is the revenue from these 2 sales? If each ticket is 35,000 rupees, the total revenue made is 70,000 rupees, correct? Correct? So by spending 4,000, they made 2 sales, so cost per sale is 2,000 rupees. If you minus and here margins, your each ticket price is 35,000 rupees. Out of this, a trainer is charging 20,000 rupees. Let's assume per head trainer is charging 20,000 rupees and you have still 15,000 left. 15,000 into 2 is 30,000 or 15,000. Just keep it as 15,000 for now. Okay. Now cost incurred is 4,000 to get 2 sales, correct? 15,000 minus, what did we do here? How is it? Yeah. Cost incurred in 1 sale. See, margins you are making from each sale is 15,000, correct? A trainer who is giving it to you at 20,000 rupees, you are selling it at 35,000 rupees. Correct, guys? So if you are selling 20,000 worth course at 35,000, you will be making margins of 15,000. And now cost incurred per sale is 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees. 15,000 minus 2,000 is 13,000 rupees. Correct? 13,000 rupees into 2 sales. Correct? 26,000 is the profit made by you. Are you all getting this?
Yes, sir.
Now your conversion rate is 10%. Look at this, the kind of the profits you make here. See, just because why is it 2%? We'll discuss this as well. A person who is selling this Java training course has put the Java trainer profile. He has only 2 years experience in Java. And 100 people are coming to the website and thinking, okay, this trainer is not experienced, I will not register with the trainer. And this person too, this another company is getting 100 people to the website, but they have put a trainer profile who has 20 years of experience and who have trained millions of people and have helped them to build a successful career. Now seeing this, the students will start registering. Your conversion rates went up and automatically your profit also has gone up. Are you getting it how conversion rates can be improved? It's not just with the trainers. Now let's assume for all of these companies, the trainer is same, but conversion rate is varying. Why? Let's assume this person is selling at 90,000 and this person is selling the course at 50,000. So people think 50,000 is lesser price than 90,000 rupees and everybody prefers to register with this person. Same trainer, same quality, same delivery. So conversion rates can get impacted by trainer, by not only trainer, it be any product, you have to take all those considerations. Price is one factor, always plays a crucial role. Now let's assume price is same, trainer is same for all of these companies, company 1, company 2, company 3, company 4, whatsoever. Okay. Now the conversion rates are varying still. What could be the possible reason? So this person must be very old in the industry and have made a very good name in the industry for trainings and placements. And people will prefer to register from this guy. And this person is very new in the market. Nobody knows them. Correct? And this guy has got a bad reviews on the Google as well, 1 star rating or 2 star rating, and nobody is willing to register with this fellow also. And see, even in this case, even this person is profitable. He is getting only one sale. For one sale, he has spent 10,000 rupees. From his margins of 15,000 rupees, if we take 10,000 away, he is still making 5,000 profits. And now, if we can increase the scale from 100 clicks to 1,000 clicks, he'll be making a profit of 50,000 rupees. And from 1,000 clicks, he makes it to 10,000 clicks. He'll be making a profit of 5 lakh rupees even at 1% conversion rate. At 1% conversion rate, he's making 100 sales. 100 sales into 15,000 rupees is how much it is? 15 lakhs. Out of 15 lakhs, what is the total cost per sale is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakhs, correct? 10 lakhs is the cost incurred. 10 lakhs is his marketing spend. And still he is making a profit of 5 lakhs. Do I understand this game? Are you all getting this, guys?
Yes.
And now think of this fellow who has 1% conversion rate is making 5 lakhs from 100 sales or maybe from 1,000 clicks, 10,000 clicks. Now think of how much this person can make if he is getting 10,000 clicks. He made nearly 3.5 crores revenue and the profit or loss is 1.45 crores. And his total cost per lead, okay, cost per sale, why is it less? No, something wrong here. Here it is same, 5,000. So total, 500 rupees is the cost per sale, 500 into 1,000. 500 into 10 is 5,000 rupees, 100 is 50,000 rupees, 1,000 is 5 lakh rupees. The marketing cost incurred in getting this 1,000 sales is just 5 lakhs. And total revenue made is this much. Now here, you take 500 rupees from 15,000 rupees. Per sale, he is spending only 500 rupees, right? If 500 is gone, it's 14,500. 14,500 into 1,000 is 1.45 crore. Are you all understanding how training business works?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So sometimes, as if you're a good digital marketer, see, conversion rates are simple, Tofi. So conversion rates, everybody, it's simple. So let's say you all are selling something. Let's assume you all are salespeople. The moment you speak pleasantly to the customer, there are good chances of you seeing more sales happening, right? That's all. That is conversion rate. 100 people have approached you. Out of 100, you sold product to 10 people, and whereas even I have dealt with 100 people, but I was able to sell only to 5 people. What do you call that as? That's my lack of selling skills. This is conversion rate, 5% conversion rate and 10%. And obviously, as a digital marketer, you will be able to understand. You have to understand what is impacting the conversion rate. Sometimes your colors of the web page, the font style, the marketing and selling elements which we were discussing. See, basically the UI UX can impact your conversion rates. The marketing and selling elements on your web page can impact conversion rates. The product is at what price you are selling as compared to that of your competitors, how you have packaged it, additional benefits, services, lot of things. Even this will impact your conversion rates, right? Your brand value, your credibility also impacts on the conversion rates. Are you all getting it, guys? So all these factors to an extent can be handled effectively by the digital marketers. So what people do is, see, now some business owners come to us, they want to run the ads. Let's take this example. Who should we be taking? Uh, okay. Let's take. This website. So they will come to us and tell Manjunath, we want to run ads for this particular course. Let's take one of the course. Yeah, this course. So 100 people, whomsoever I get, I'll be getting them onto this page. I'm getting them onto this page, right? So this is not that appealing, interesting for me. Or maybe I'm trying to click on this enroll now and it's not working for me. See, it's taking me to pages.razorpay.com. I was on target agility. I did not like this. I felt like I'm paying it to someone else. I'm not really interested. Gone. Conversion rate gets impacted. Okay, on this page colors design itself is not good. I did not like what's been shown here in the top. So what digital marketers, what performance marketers do, so they will take, so I will ask them, boss, can you get the changes done on this page? They will say, no, 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 our SEO guys have done all these changes and it's ranking already on the Google. I don't want to make any kind of changes. See, I am trying to educate him and tell him, see, this is how it works. The conversion rates can be just 1%. The outcome or returns from your ads can be negligible. So I want the changes to be made. He will not listen. So in these cases, what digital marketers do is, digital marketers might build a new page called something like this, PSM, just PSM or something. They call them as landing page. They build separate page for them. See, this is Mango's. This is Mango's page. They are not ready to make any kind of changes on this Mango's page. Now I'll create one more page called as Best Mangoes, and in that page, earlier it was just mangoes. I have created a new page, Best Mangoes. In this page, I'll do all the changes that you want. Whatever concept is running on my mind, the creative skills, the conversion rates, whatever I understand, the marketing, selling elements, everything. I'll bring everything. See, if I am getting visitors onto this page, the conversion rate will be just 1%. I am going to build a new page which is going to look like this. So I am going to build a new page which is going to look like this. So I'm going to build, let's assume this is my new page and this is my old page. This is my old page. I'm not touching this. I'm building a new page. This page is just mangoes. Or let's assume this is Professional Scrum Master PSM course, right? This is my SEO page or old page which business owner is not allowing me to change it, and if I'm running ads and bringing traffic to the page, it gives me only 2 sales from 100 visitors. Now what I'll do is I'll change it to something like this. Okay, right? And I'll be getting all the visitors to this web page instead of this. So in performance marketing, people call this as landing page. So that's where people bring this terminology called landing page. So performance marketers don't want to land users on this page because they don't like this page for several reasons. The marketing selling pitches are very poor and not that appealing for different reasons, n number of reasons, right? So they'll simply create a new page and land users, and the conversion rates. This page, let's assume this is much interesting, much useful for end user and instilling lots of confidence in the user to make a purchase with this business, and automatically conversion rates would go from 2% to 10%. Same websites, same keyword. Just because you have improvised the elements on your web page or you have built a new landing page, the conversion rates can get improved. See, it's the conversion rates are not because of you built a new page, but because you have taken care of several things, converting elements on your new page. You understand what in on the same website. On the same website, you have a different page. Earlier, last month and all, we struggled with this. We got visitors. We have spent 1 lakh rupees. Let's assume we spent 1 lakh rupees, and we got, let's say, 1,000 visitors, and the revenue made is negligible or it's in loss. Now, on the same website, we built a new experience for the user, and the campaign remains same. Everything remains same, and automatically now the conversions will increase, the revenue will increase, the profit will also increase. Do you understand the conversion game now? So this is where 90% of the marketing campaigns go failure, and people don't understand this. They simply declare it's not working for me. See, how is it working for this business and how is it not working for this business? Because conversion rate is the issue. They'll have ugly websites, they'll have very poorly built websites, right? See, that's the reason, right? Salespeople are asked to dress well, go in formals, have a polished language, their communication skills have to be good, correct? Now think of you representing yourself as a low profile person, and can you expect the same kind of sales happening? Exactly the same happens with the website. Your colleague met 10 people and out of 10 he converted 5 people and he made 5 lakhs of revenue, and you met 10 people and out of 10 people you made only one sale and you made only 1 lakh revenue, and your salary itself is 1 lakh. Whereas your colleague who made 5 lakhs, he takes 1.5 lakh salary and still he gave 3.5 lakh profit to the business owner, correct? So exactly that's how it works in Google Ads. So it's crucial to understand, you have to do this kind of activity. You have to do a keyword research, understand the CPCs, and understand the conversion rates, industry standard conversion rates. If you have already worked in those industries, you will get to know the conversion rates. If not, you may have to run a small pilot campaign for a week of time, or 1 day or 10 days of time. 1 day will not suffice. Usually we run 15 days to 1 month, and we understand how are the conversion rates. 1 month, but of course eventually as we optimize the campaigns further, the outcomes will be much better. It cannot be decided in 1 month. You have to go through that loss until your campaigns are completely optimized. Eventually they will start giving very good returns. Did you all get this calculation part, guys?
Yes,
So
sir.
you suggest a business owner to run the ads only if they could see the profits. If they are seeing this loss, there is no point of running ads. Some businesses would still run the ads just to make sure that there is a cash flow, transactions are happening. They don't want their sales team to sit idle. They'll just keep doing the ads. So many times it could be just a break even or negligible loss or negligible profits. Correct? And still they will run the ads and do the business. Okay. So if you are a business owner, if you are running a business, you have to compulsory do this calculation and understand that. See, you seeing negative numbers here doesn't mean you should not run it. This is a rough calculation. So in real time, this conversion rate might go to 30 percentage, right? And of course, you are profitable. When it is 30 percentage, you are profitable. Correct? Why is it 30 percentage? Because you are already a credible trainer or a credible brand in the industry. You cannot compare yourself with a new brand. You cannot just go with the regular metrics. Every business has to test this and understand how is the returns. For some businesses from Google Ads, they invest 1 lakh and they make 1 crore. Amazing, right? You might tell me, okay, Manjunath, I'll give 1 lakh to you, make it 1 crore, and you give 50 lakhs and give 50 lakhs to me. Correct? So it's quite interesting and that's effective. That's how it was in the back to a decade, and now it's highly competitive. Highly competitive. Even the end users, the buyers are very picky, very choosy. They assess, they do multiple kinds of validation. So you all also must have done, right, to register for a digital marketing course. You all must have visited multiple training institutes. You understand their credibility, you understand the price, you will speak to those people, right? You do all that assessment and purchase the course, correct? And now what about those 10 institutes which you have acquired? Loss. It's not loss, their profits could have been very lean, or it could have been break even or loss also, correct? Same way, exactly. That's how. If there are no institutes at all, it's only one institute. Now think of how will Google Ads work for you. They'll by default register with you only. You don't even have to run the Google Ads if you are the only one. See, Google creates this competition among businesses and makes lots of money. They make hundreds, thousands of crores every week from their Google, from this Google Ads. See, you are spending nearly how much it is? Units, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, 40 lakh rupees For one of the travel company, travel brand, I was spending 1.5 crore every month. 1.5 crore every month. This is back to 2013. Another e-commerce brand was spending nearly 1 crore every month. And before 2019, I was working with one of the training company, and we were spending 1.5 crore every month. 1 crore or 1.5 crore. And it's not a big deal. Even spending 20 crores a month for a company is not a big deal. So because it works this way, so for every rupee they invest, they are making some outcomes or returns. See, we're at 1% conversion rate. Look at the money they have made. And now, when it is, how much it is? Now look at the revenue that they have made. For 1 lakh visitors, they must have spent 1 crore. Units, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakhs crore, 1 crore. To get 1 lakh visitors to their website, they spent 1 crore. Let's take this example. A training institute spent 1 crore in Google Ads, and their total revenue will be 35,000 rupees, right? That will be 35 crores. That is 35 crores of revenue. From 35 crores, let's take it as 20 crores is trainers fees. Straight away 20 crores is trainers. From 35 crores, if 20 crores goes for trainers, remaining is 15 crores, correct? Correct? Out of 15 crore, you remove this 1 crore, 14 crores will be the profit, correct? So here there is something wrong. It's not wrong. How many crores is this? Units, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. Only 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs profit. This is 10 crores. Is it 10 crores? This is 1 crore. 1 crore and 15,000. This is 1.5 crore. Not 1.5. How many sales? 1,000 sales. For 10 sales, 1.5 lakh. For 100 sales, 15 lakhs. Yeah, this is 1.5 crore. The total revenue made is 1.5 crores. Not revenues. The total revenue made is this much, 35 crores. Out of this 35 crores, remove 20 crores straight away. This is, how much is this? Units, tens, 100. This is 3.5 crores, not 35 crores. This is 3.5 crores. Out of this 3.5 crores, you remove 2 crores trainers fee. Remaining is 1.5 crore, correct? From 1.5 crore, remove 1 crore. Ads budget, still they are making profit of 50 lakhs. And in this 50 lakhs, they'll invest 5 lakhs on sales team, 5 lakhs on marketing team, 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs on operational team, 15 lakhs, and 5 lakhs some other expenses, building rent, that this total 20 lakhs. Still they are making a profit of 30 lakhs. Now think of this changing it to 2%. It has gone to 2 crores. Total revenue made is, ticket price is same always. Ticket price is same always. The total revenue made now from 3.5 crore to it has gone to 7 crores. 7 crores. Your marketing spend is still the same, 1 crore only. Right? Now if you remove trainers, 4 crores, still how much is left? 3 crores is left. Out of 3 crores, you remove 1 crore, still 2 crores is left. Out of this 2 crores, your marketing, sales, operational, building expenses are just 20 lakhs. Now remove the 20 lakhs from 22 crores, 1.8 crore. This same marketing spend. Earlier also we spent 1 crore, now also we spent 1 crore. Just with the improvement of conversion rates. It's that crucial for businesses to focus on conversion rates. Do you all understand how crucial or important it is improving the conversion rates? So simple scenario. Let's assume even I am facing something like this, being a new trainer in the industry. I'm not a new trainer, by the way, guys. So let's assume like that, some XYZ training company which is new into the market facing the same thing. The moment Times of India and New York Times, that this multiple newspapers speak, he is the best trainer, best training company, this would go from 1% to 2% automatically. And your revenue, your profit from 30 lakhs, it has increased by 6 times. 30 lakhs to it went to 1.8 crore after removing your 20 lakhs expenses on marketing, sales, operation and office rent. Are you all getting this? Now you continue to progress that way. Everywhere people are speaking about you. You have become a speaker. You are doing lots of videos. You have become a thought leader in the industry for the domain knowledge, and your conversion rates are increasing further. So you all also have to focus on improving your value, a brand or an individual. So that's called as personal branding. So if you alone have to make business, you have to improve your personal branding. If as a company, if you have to make focus, then also you have to improve your brand value. So now people, instead of 1% is converting, just by seeing your brand, more people will convert, and your profit straight away went to 3.5 crores, out of which you take 20 lakhs expenses or 50 lakhs expenses, still you are making 3 crores profits. Okay, is it clear? So why I am spending so much time on this is, most of the interview questions will be around these things. Okay, don't be scared, don't get worried. 90% of the performance marketers doesn't does not know how to ask these questions. Also, they'll simply ask, what is CPA, what is CPC? CPA is cost per acquisition, CPC is cost per click. These kinds of questions which we are going to discuss further. They would ask, what is conversion rates? They might ask you some questions like, how will you bring down the cost per click? This is 40 rupees. How will you bring it down? You cannot even think of every performance marketer doing these kinds of calculations and understanding whether it works or not. 90 percentage, they just learn the tool, how to execute or how to use the options. They just blindly keep running, and and luckily certain things they must have blindly learned, which might help them improve the conversion rates, even they not be intentional. They're just doing certain things, and that might work, and the conversion rates might improve. If you have to see success from Google Ads, you have to focus on improving the conversion rates. Did you all understand now how important it is to have a clean website, a selling website, the best UI and UX?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll wind it up for today. The next class we will learn how to launch a search campaign. So we were supposed to start that campaign today, but we couldn't do it because I felt understanding all these numbers is very crucial. I have updated the same on your sheet. The class, where is the document here? Yes, this one. So you can refer it. All the formulas are available here. You can play around it, duplicate this or make a copy of this. Don't edit it here, and you try to understand it further better. Okay. Same thing, but some of this, what do you call it as, data validation has gone. You see here the parse, here the conditional formatting, it all has gone. That's all. Okay. Did you all find this interesting, guys, or boring?
Yeah, it's a very good learning, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I don't know really if it was interesting or not.
Looking like a maths class, sir.
Maths class. So see, digital marketing, especially if you have to take up the performance marketing role, you have to be very good with numbers and you have to understand all of that. That's why I was stressing again and again. I have to explain the table multiple times just to make sure that it's getting into your heads. Okay, but when you start launching campaign, when you start dealing with the data, so you get better insights and understanding on it further. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So if no one has any questions, we'll wind it up for today.
Sir, I have another doubt, sir. That for designing website in WordPress, we need to buy that Elementor's plugin for